Okay guys, this is a 300M 2000 Chrysler headlamps replacement, the entire assembly replacement. These are the parts that I'm installing and using to install. The C-light LED lightings is what I'm using. New headlamps. Mine are in terrible shape, so I'm going with total assembly replacements. Some basic tools you need: 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter. Also a 10 ratchet is good to have to separate the radiator cross member from the front grille. Of course, the 7 millimeter for the headlights, ratchet extension, some basic tools to remove the pins and clips. I had to use that pliers to get the old headlamp assembly turned to get the bulbs out. These are the new lamps that I got in here. I did follow the example of not having to remove the bumper. I tried. I started this way as Las Vegas had indicated. You can get them in and out without removing the bumper. It's a little close, but when I went to remove the bumper, I got rivets onto there that I won't be able to reuse. Also, I had Mr. Tire replace my radiator recently because I had a transmission line leak up here. So they were in here before me. I did take off the cross member and lay it on top of the motor. That's the easy part, guys, as you know, leaving the hood release in place. Don't need to trouble that. But I was able to get the headlamps in, tested. They're all working: high beams, low beams, HB3, HB4, which is the 9006, 9005 for the headlights. So I'm going to. I've already tested the lights. They're on. I just need to level them out and then get everything back in place. But getting the headlamps in and out, not a task for those who are not capable of some patience and wiggling it in and out. Also, you got to flex the bumper to get this piece out of the way when you're putting it in, on both sides, there and here. You got to flex it out. But other than that, with a little bit of patience, you get it in. And I'm going to obviously put some anti-seize on all the bolts that I took out, because I got them all here set up just so I didn't lose them. Pretty much laid out how they came off. These are the various sizes. The rusted ones are the 7 millimeter for the headlights. The others, you guys will figure it out, as well as the 3 pins that attach to the grill, the front grill. These just pop out and pop in. And yeah, that's it. So you'll get it done. Take your time. These are just the bottom of everything, that for those who've never seen it before. Just the basic pins that pop in place, the length of the headlight 7 millimeter bolts. All right, well, hope this helps somebody just to pay forward. I did have to loose out my speed control to get extra clearance. Just tied it back to that radiator cap, that expansion bottle cap. Obviously, you got to loose the washer nut. Yeah. All right, guys. I'll carry on here, and if there's a part 3, I'll post it. This is just part 2 of 3, most likely. All right. Peace, guys.